All right, I just cleared this drain over here. It's draining pretty fast, but you can still see that there's some clogs. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna hop over here and get this one taken care of next. There should be one. It's right here. Found it. Check this out. Watch how fast this is gonna actually clear. This is a really hilarious small thing, but if we had a self-clearing robot that allowed us at every sewer access point to pull all this stuff up and actually compress it and cube it and use the turbine power. That's a bottle, that's no good. Look at that. We created a freaking vortex. It's like we're a wizard or something. Tight. Saving the world, one drain at a time. It's pretty simple. Because those assholes are not going to care to stop and get what needs to be done. But yeah, there you go. Another one clear. And we're gonna pop over here and make sure this one's clear. Look how fast that shit. Look at that. Beautiful. See, and that is what a proper functioning sewer system is supposed to look like. See that? It's amazing. It's beautiful. Thank you, sir. I got 3 out of the 4 corners cleared. This is my last one.
Yeah, they've been doing this for 20 years.
Yeah, for sure. Well, I live actually like 3 blocks away. Like I live over there, and I was watching the water flow, and I was like, this is all going somewhere. And I know.
No, it all comes right here.
Okay, for sure. I'll keep an eye. I'll I'll come help you with the because this is important to everybody. Like not just
come out and do it when I'm home, but
Yeah, for sure. Well, that's what that's all about. Like we all share the floodplain. Yeah. So I'm actually making a YouTube video right now just to show about.
Do this instead of filling half-assed potholes.
Right. Yeah, I have a lot of. I'm actually going to be making a run for mayor this next time around. So these sorts of things are actually what's really important. Like making sure our houses don't flood, or that we can actually get access, because like people have been blowing through here with like splash zone. I know, right? I'm not telling you anything you haven't seen a million times.
I used to sit on my porch waiting for someone to go into one of these houses.
Yeah. Well, I'm just gonna go clear this one real quick, and then I'm gonna get back to. Thank you. I appreciate it. I know that we're not that close to neighbors, but Yeah, for sure. It's just. Yeah. Met, I think. Might have one more. Right here. Wow, there's some good shit in this one. Is that an apple? Because this was not a very long sustained rain. It was a pretty heavy rain, but this was not a long rain. And when we know what Michigan can dish, old Michigan dish way more than this. So we got to be prepared and have something set up in place to prevent this from happening, because this is a really light. light thing, but like you can see all that dirt that came out of it. That was probably just from this time. So you have to be aware of see that? Consistently inconsiderate. But yeah, as you can see, it's already pretty well drained. That one's clear. That other one that I started with is clear. The only one that isn't clear is that one back over there. So pretty much, you wanna get a zoomy. A little bit of flooding left. But yeah, if I wouldn't have cleared all those, this would have been splash zone for another 30 to 60 minutes. So that's my good deed for the day. Here, flip over. Nope, hold on. Damn it. Fail. Signing off.